Have you tried mixing turmeric and aloe vera before? If you have not tried it, this is the time to try this simple way to look beautiful, to look spotless, for your skin to glow naturally, even with no makeup. Apply this before you go to bed. Wake up looking so beautiful. So if you want beauty tips like this, more uploads like this, please subscribe to this channel. And also do not forget to always like our videos. Just turn on the like button and I will appreciate. Alright, so you need to get turmeric powder. I'll tell you why you should use it. Turmeric contains antioxidant that glows the skin, that exfoliates the skin to get rid of dead skin cells, to get rid of dull looking skin, to get rid of blemishes, pigmentations. It brightens in a natural way. So in case you are dark skin, you can use it. In case you are light skin, any skin type and complexion can make use of this. Very safe. So just try to get turmeric powder. You never regret it. So another one is aloe vera gel, like I shown in the beginning of this video. Aloe vera is of different kinds. This is 99% natural. You can use any one. So aloe vera helps to keep the skin hydrated, supple. You know how your skin will looking supple, you know, looking younger, looking well moisturized, getting rid of those irritation, like, you know, so many other skin problems. It does that and more. So aloe vera helps to also firm the skin in case you have started developing wrinkles or you just want to have a younger skin. Just think of aloe vera and thank me later. So another ingredient that is very special is honey. Especially when it comes to natural honey. Do not joke with honey because it really hydrates your skin. Honey is a natural humectant that helps to keep your skin hydrated, not dried out, not looking flaky. You can never have dry skin when you're making use of honey. Another benefit of honey is that it keeps acne, pimples away from your face, giving you a smooth, clearer skin if you love, and also glowing the skin evenly. So if you want to even out your skin, please think of these treatments. I'll tell you how to measure rightly. You have to add, for this quantity, half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Yes. You have to squeeze in 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Yes. Then you have to go on and add 1 tablespoon of honey. Yes. So in case you want to make more than this, you want to make and store to be using it, you have to increase the quantities of what I just listed and mix thoroughly. If you mix them and is in a watery form, you can increase the quantity of the powder ingredient, turmeric. If you mix and it's too thick, you can just increase the quantity of aloe vera gel, and that is all. So you have to remove all makeups, get rid of deaths by using a lukewarm water to wash off all deaths. Then you have to apply these treatments just the way I'll be showing you right now, and so that these treatments will be able to penetrate and work better. So just go around everywhere. Then you can also include around your eyes if you have dark under eye circle. So just touch anywhere you want to remove blemishes, dark spots, anywhere you have wrinkles. Like, just, to me, I just apply everywhere because I just want everywhere to be uniform, you know, with no issues. So just use a brush, okay, or use your hand to apply directly. So if you are applying only on your face, please remember your neck and be careful because turmeric can stain. Yes. So make sure you put on something safe so that even if it drops on your garments or your top, on your shirt, it will not be so messy. Alright, so I'm going to just leave it on for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. This is very mild. It doesn't irritate the skin. Like, this is something you can use every day. Perfect. So leave it on for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. And when it gets dry, you wash it out using a lukewarm water. So I'm going to leave mine for some time. Wash it out. I'll be right back. Please stay tuned because there's a great information about this that you need to know to get perfect results. So after washing it out, you need to apply a moisturizer. So if you don't have a specific moisturizer, you can contact us for skincare products that will take care of your skin perfectly. Or you can just use vitamin E oil. You can use some light oils that are penetrating. Sunflower oil, vitamin E oil that's with just a little will go a long way. Just apply on your skin. You can see the turmeric color you know, it can stain, but I love it because it's so beneficial for my skin. But if I use a soap to wash it off, it can go off finally. So just use this treatment 3 times weekly, or you can just use it every day. Perfectly safe. So like I said earlier, we have very good skincare products made naturally. We ship worldwide. You can patronize if you want to get anyone. So that is it for now. So just get turmeric, also get aloe vera gel, then get honey. Get it ready. Apply it at night, just at night. Wash it out. Please remember 15 to 20 minutes before you go to bed. Wash it out. Then in the morning, you will notice how your skin will get renewed. With consistency, you see those dark spots, blemishes will be reducing. I would prefer you use this every day if you can, every night. Then if you want to look younger, you have to be consistent. But for an instant glow, you want to glow your skin like instantly. Just immediately after washing it out, apply a moisturizer. You see your skin glowing beautiful. People will be asking you, what are you using on your skin? And this will also help. If you apply your skincare product, it will work perfectly because your skin is well cleansed. The foundation is repaired. If you apply anything, just like this, working perfectly. We have supplements, vitamin C supplements, we have some gummies, anti-aging, skin lightening, so many, just name it. You can patronize, and we have good ones for you to look younger from the inside as well. So please, this video will help you. Just try to watch, just click it right now. There's an information, some ingredients you need to get as well to take care of your skin. Look beautiful with no makeup. Thank me later. Please like this video. I'll see you next time.